Hello everyone, so how to download Monkey app on iPhone? So just go to the App Store and just type Monkey, uh, and there you have it. So then you will see this Monkey video chat app. So it's an updated app. Before it was just like called Monkey app, now it's called like Monkey video chat. They updated design and functionality of the app. Not a lot of people like it. You can see it by the ratings. So there you have it. A lot of people like, yeah. So there you have it. But yeah, maybe they will hopefully update it again in the future. But in case just you want to update this app, there is how you do it.